Hello and Namaste Rasikas. It is always a deep desire for any Carnatic Rasika to get to the level of Swara identification. They would like to know and identify what Swaras represent a particular musical phrase that they are listening to. Let us accept that Swara identification is much more complex and intricate than Raga identification. However, with the right amount of practice and effort, nothing is impossible. In this video, we are going to start right at the beginning. That is, we would try and understand the different types of swaras that is possible in Carnatic music. Carnatic music students in their early lessons are introduced to 12 Swarasthanas structure. However, as they progress, one gets to learn the complete picture of 16 Swarasthanas. So now I would be explaining these 16 Swarasthanas that are possible. So what is this 16? Always Sa and Pa is invariant. There are only two types of Ma possible, and the rest of the notes Re, Ga, Da and Ni are of three types. So if you add them up, you get 16. Of course, some are Vivadi Swaras. I will come to it a little later. So how are we going to understand the 16 Swarasthanas? The best way to do is to look at the Melakarta chart. For those who are not familiar with it, please check out the link in the description box below. In the Melakarta scheme, ragas are classified into two categories, Shuddha Madhyama and Pratimadhyama ragas. There are 36 Shuddha Madhyama ragas. All these ragas, irrespective of the nature of the other swaras, have a Ma 1. When you replace Ma 1 with a Ma 2, you get the next 36 ragas, which are called the Pratimadhyama ragas. So 36 plus 36, you get the total 72 ragas, which we see in the Melakarta chart. Sa Re Ga Ma, Sa Re Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa, Re 1, Ga 1, Ma 1. Now, the same Sa Re Ga with the Ma 2, how does it sound? Sa Re Ga Ma, Sa Re Ga Ma. Okay, this is one combination. The next combination, Sa Re 1, Ga 2, Ma 1. Sa Re Ga Ma, Sa Re Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. Now again the same combination with the Ma 2. Sa Re Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Next one, Sa Re 1, Ga 3. Sa Re Ga Ma, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. Again, let us replace Ma 1 with Ma 2 and see how this sounds. Sa Re Ga Ma, Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The next combination is sa re to ga to ma 1. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma ga re. I have added a little gamakam to the ga. Let us look at its Pratimadhimam counterpart. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re, pa ma ga re sa. Next one, sa re to ga 3 ma 1. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa. Replacing ma 1 with the ma 2. Sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa. The last combination, sa re 3 ga 3 ma 1. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa. Again the Pratimadhimam sequence. Sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma, pa ma ga re sa. As you see, we have 6 possible combinations of the Sarigama, isn't it? What happened to the remaining? Here we have to bring in the concept of Vivadi Swaras. Some Swaras share the same frequency positions. For example, Ga 1 and Re 2. They are occurring at the same frequency. So whenever Ga 1 comes, there cannot be a Re 2 and vice versa. Sa Re Re, this is Re 2. Sa Re Ga Re, Ga 1 Re 1 sa. Similarly, Re 3 and Ga 2 have the same frequency position. So they are mutually exclusive. Therefore, you will not find a combination with these 2 swaras in the same raga. I'll also add a description about Vivadi ragas in the box below. You could check it out. Now let us try and understand the different Padani combinations. Exactly the same type of combinations as we have already seen in Sarigama, we are going to apply in Padani portion also. The first one is Pa Da 1 Ni 1. Padani, Padani da pa, Padani sa ni da pa. Next one is Pa Da 1 Ni 2. Taranana, Padani sa ni da pa, Padani, Padani da pa, Padani sa ni da pa, Padani da pa. Next one is Pa Da 1 Ni 3. Padani sa, sa ni da was flat. Next one is pa, da to, ni to. Pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, sa, pa, da, ni, sa, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, pa, da, ni, da, pa, pa, da, ni, sa. Next one is pa, da to, ni, 3. Pa, da, ni, sa, pa, da, ni, sa, pa, da, ni, sa, with gamakam. Pa, da, ni, sa. Last one, pa, da, 3, ni, 3. Pa, da, ni, sa, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, pa, da, ni, sa. Again, just like what I said in the Vivadi swaras in Riga, the same thing we are going to apply in da, ni also. So, da 2 and ni 1 have the same frequency. So, those two notes cannot come together in any raga. Similarly, da 3 and ni 2 have the same frequency. So, they also will not occur together. Therefore, if you eliminate the combinations that are not possible, we end up with only these 6 possibilities. That is why in the Melakarta grouping, the chakras have 6 ragas in each one of them because of these type of combinations. I hope this video gives you some clarity on the 16 types of swarasthanas in Carnatic music. Of course, there is a long way to go towards swara identification, but I guess this will be a good beginning for all the Rasikas and Carnatic music students. Keep watching our channel for more such videos, and I will be back with another one soon.